The Article 159 doesn't work at all concerning Grigori Petrovich Grabovoi. Even if you, gentlemen of the government, have a desire to eliminate a person from politics, remove him in some way, well, Article 159, that is fraud, doesn't fit. And this verdict is the evidence of this conclusion. What is fraud? This is one of the forms of theft, which is committed by deception, while the theft itself involves the appropriation of someone else's property or money. In this case, the appropriation through abuse or deception. What is the basis of the statement about the commission of a crime by Grabovoi? This accusation is based on a socio-psychological examination and on the testimony of the so-called victims. But the socio-psychological examination is only so-called that it is a socio-psychological examination. Firstly, the experts themselves are non-professionals in the field they have taken up. Secondly, it was carried out with the grossest violations. And thirdly, it shouldn't have been socio-psychological because the activity of a major scientist, a person of multi-aspect activity, is evaluated. And they take some kind of psychologist and a teacher who once graduated from the institute in this specialty. Well, I will not completely do analysis. This analysis can be done until the evening, and we can resent every line of this verdict. And it is supported by the testimony of prosecution witnesses, as I said, by witnesses and victims mostly. But what do the victims claim? The victims claim that they attended Grabovoi's seminars, that Grabovoi, well, spoke about the resurrection, that they paid certain money to the cashier of the organization where the seminar was held. But at the same time, they are talking about something else, that during this seminar, they received methodological developments. During this seminar, they received books. During this seminar, they received CDs with recordings and some other, well, auxiliary materials. That is, the so-called victims themselves claim that there was no gratuitous seizure of property, and embezzlement is precisely gratuitous seizure. What do lawyers and judges do? Lawyers, judges, they, pardon my language, don't care about these legal subtleties. They consider it to be a crime at their own discretion and without being shy about public opinion because it has already been formed by the mass media in another direction, in the direction of their support, without being shy about their own conscience, and I'm sure it knows at them, without being shy about anything. They write all sorts of nonsense, calling it a legal act. Therefore, speaking about Grigori Petrovich, I 100% support the opinion of the initiators and their desire to go to international amnesty with a proposal and a request to recognize this great scientist as a current political prisoner, because there is nothing else but politics in this matter. There is no crime either in the verdict or in the 14 volumes of the criminal case. There is nothing at all for which a person could be obstructed in this way, subjected to some kind of public retribution. The man worked for the benefit of people, for the benefit of the society.